On this warm election day, David Karnes is watching the forecast, which includes a few changes.
Yeah, live in the Storm Alert Center for a first look at it. Yeah, we're just going to skip right from summer to winter, right, David?
At least this weekend we are absolutely winter-like temperatures. We're going to be sliding into the Tennessee Valley fairly suddenly, so we're enjoying some great spring-like weather today, and then bam, we're going to be wearing not just jackets and sweaters, but coats full on for our weekend and well through next week as well. It is going to be a bit cooler Wednesday and Thursday. We're going to go from the low 80s to the low 70s, and then we'll have some tropical rain from Nicole moving in Thursday night through the first half of the day on Friday, and then Friday night into the weekend we're going to start to see that cold air spilling into the Tennessee Valley. So let's start there. Our forecast highs, you can see again low 70s, 68 Friday as we see tropical rain keeping us cool. Temperatures continue plunging. These are highs, by the way, 54 Saturday, 48 Sunday, low 50s to start next week. The average high is 65 degrees. That cold air is going to stay with us not just 6 to 10 days out. All of that blue obviously represents cold, very cold, but even up to 2 weeks out, we're still looking at well above, or well below rather, normal temperature. So that cold spell is going to be with us for a while. The second thing we're looking at is the potential for rain Thursday night into Friday. We do need the rainfall, but we are also watching the possibility of some localized flooding. Some of the model data suggests we could get more than 3 inches of rain if Nicole holds onto the path that the National Hurricane Center is suggesting. But if this path shifts to the east, if it shifts to the west, that obviously will impact the amount of rain that we get or don't get. So we still need to keep just a close eye on it, and that track will become more certain the closer to time we get in that. 79 right now in Chattanooga, 77 Cleveland, 80 in Dalton, but boy, a lot of us got into the low 80s. 81 here at Local 3, 80 East Brainerd, 83 Trenton, Somerville, 84 degrees. Come on. 82 in Cleveland, made it 82 in Riceville, and 84 also in Jasper. Mineral Bluff, 78, and 83 in the great city of Chatsworth, Georgia. Futurecast, let's go through it all. Here we go with pretty clear skies, lots of sunshine, but notice these clouds off to the southeast. We're going to see those beginning to push into the Tennessee Valley as Nicole gets a little bit closer, moves across the state of Florida. Notice all of the rain to the north of the system. Here comes the front that's going to interact with Nicole, and tropical systems are steered by winds. Well, the wind ahead of that front is going to be coming out of the south, pushing Nicole to the north and ultimately to the northeast. So before it gets here, though, Thursday night into, this is midnight, Thursday night into Friday morning, notice that heavy rain just training into the Tennessee Valley through Friday morning, and then as the front picks up Nicole and pushes it off to the northeast, we'll still see that rain until early afternoon, and then we'll see the rain ceasing during the late afternoon into Friday nights. Friday night playoff games, no problem, or whatever you have planned, but it will be a little breezy, and we're going to start to see that colder air coming in behind that front as we move into Saturday, and even colder air as we move into Sunday. So a quick look at our Storm Alert 7-day forecast. Low 70s, the rain moves in Thursday night through the first half of Friday. Friday night into Saturday and Sunday, we clear out as the cold air spills in, looking at highs in the upper 40s and low 50s, lows all the way down into the upper 20s and low 30s.